Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to extend an image with generative fill in Photoshop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So say for example, we're going to make use of this specific photo that I have right here. So in the left hand side, you can actually see a canvas, and let's make it wider. So if we try to make the picture wider, there will be spaces here in the side. What we're going to do is we're going to use the square tool, and afterwards we're just going to click on generate fill and hit on generate without any words being added onto the box. So wait for it to process, and basically you will actually see an extension of the background after it has loaded there. Alright, so what we're going to do with the other side is actually just the same thing. We're just going to simply use the square tool and simply click on generate fill here in this box and hit on generate afterwards without any words being added onto it, and simply wait for it to be generated afterwards. Basically, there you have it. So this is the end image or the generated image with the extended background. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.